Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 14D, page number 216. So before solving this exercise, we should know grouping symbol means brackets. So we know that the brackets are some different kinds of bracket. We are also called small bracket, curly bracket, large bracket, and this is the bar sign. It's a name. Actually, it's a name. It is called. This is small bracket we are calling parenthesis. This medium bracket that we are calling braces, and this large bracket that we call brackets. Okay. So actually, its a name is parenthesis, braces, brackets, and this line is called bar. Okay. So these names you should know. Okay, and these brackets also you should have to learn. You should know about these brackets. Okay, this symbol. So we will follow it. If there is a small bracket, this parenthesis, so first work will be of that, then after braces, then after large one brackets. If there is a bar sign, so that will be after that. So like that we are following the sequence. So there are some rules to follow this grouping the brackets. The first rule, if plus sign preceding the grouping symbol, the grouping symbol is removed without any changes. It means, suppose here is that before this bracket you can see there is a plus sign. Okay, it means when you remove this bracket, when you remove this parenthesis, this is small bracket, so that inside this bracket whatever the variables, whatever the terms are there, its sign will be not changed. It will be as it is. The first rule is that. Second rule is that if before this bracket you can see there is a minus sign, you can see there is a minus sign, it means when you remove this parenthesis, this bracket, the sign of these two terms will be changed, means it will be minus to plus and plus to minus. So it is a sign will be changed, plus to minus and minus to plus. When the sign before means that is minus sign precedes the ग्रुपिंग सिंबल, मीन्स इस ब्रैकेट के पहले अगर माइनस साइन है तो ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर वाला सारे वैल्यू का साइन अपोजिट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अगर ब्रैकेट से पहले प्लस साइन है तो ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर जब ब्रैकेट आप हटाएंगे तो ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर वाला साइन सेम ही रहेगा, क्योंकि प्लस है तो कोई चेंजेस नहीं होगा. बट अगर माइनस है तो ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर वाले सभी टर्म्स का साइन जो है चेंज हो जाएगा. अगर प्लस है तो माइनस, माइनस है तो प्लस. दैट्स द रूल नंबर 2. Rule number 3, if more than one grouping symbols are present in an expression, then the innermost grouping symbol is first removed, then we collect the combined like term. If any, this process is continued outward until grouping symbol is removed. It means when there are like a small bracket, medium bracket, large bracket, so these brackets are there. It means first we will remove this one, means innermost means जो सबसे अंदर में है. ठीक है, तो पहले इसका काम करेंगे और इसके अंदर जो भी वैल्यू होंगे, वेरिएबल्स होंगे, जो भी होंगे उनको आप पहले सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, ये जैसे खत्म होगा फिर आप इसका करेंगे, फिर इसके अंदर जो भी वैल्यू वेरिएबल्स होंगे, जो भी एक्सप्रेशन होंगे उनको सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, फिर इसको हटाएंगे, देन आफ्टर फिर इसके अंदर जो भी वैल्यू आएंगे फिर उनको सॉल्व करके फिर इसको आप हटाएंगे. मीन्स इनर मोस्ट से हमें स्टार्ट करना है और हमें आउटवर्ड्स की ओर बढ़ते चले जाना है. दैट्स द रूल नंबर 3 वन. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट रूल नंबर 3. सो दिस कॉन्सेप्ट वी विल फॉलो एंड वी विल सॉल्व दिस exercise. Okay, these are the only concept that you should know. Okay, now exercise 14D. Let's solve exercise 14D. So first of all you see the question number 1. Simplify 6a minus 5a minus 2x. Let's solve question number 1. 6a minus 5, that is 5a. Okay, then after minus 2x. Okay, that we have to solve. So first of all what we will do in last chapter, means exercise 14C, what we are doing, we are multiplying because there was no any sign. Here what we are doing, we are multiplying monomials with the polynomial. लास्ट चैप्टर में हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे 14C में, इसको इसके इस सभी टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे थे. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई भी साइन नहीं था. इसका मतलब क्या था, मल्टीप्लाई साइन था, इसका मतलब था 6a इस पूरे पोलिनोमियल के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होना था, बट यहाँ पर साइन है, इसका मतलब ये मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कराना. वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस, वी हैव टू रिमूव द ब्रैकेट्स. सो नाउ व्हाट विल बी द स्टेप? फर्स्ट वी विल राइट दिस 6a. ओके, नाउ दिस माइनस साइन विल मल्टीप्लाई, इसका मतलब है जैसे आप ब्रैकेट हटाएंगे तो 5 के सामने क्या है, प्लस साइन है, तो ये माइनस साइन इस प्लस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कराएगा. ठीक है, दिस माइनस साइन विल मल्टीप्लाई विद द प्लस, सो प्लस माइनस माइनस. ओके, देन यू राइट 5a. ये वाला माइनस साइन फिर इससे मल्टीप्लाई कराएगा. ठीक है, इट मीन्स माइनस माइनस बिकेम प्लस, सो दैट इज प्लस 2x. ओके, एक्चुअली हमने अभी जस्ट, और अब रूल नंबर 2 हमने पढ़ा था. क्या था रूल नंबर 2? अगर ब्रैकेट्स के आगे, ब्रैकेट्स के सामने कौन सा साइन था? अभी माइनस साइन था. विच साइन इज देयर? माइनस साइन. इसका मतलब क्या था, जब हम ब्रैकेट्स को हटाएंगे तो इसके अंदर जितने भी टर्म्स हैं और टर्म्स के सामने जो भी साइन है वो सारा साइन अपोजिट हो जाएगा. तो आप देखो यहाँ पे प्लस साइन था, अभी क्या हो गया? माइनस. यहाँ पे क्या था? माइनस. यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? प्लस. इसका मतलब समझ गए आप? ये एक्चुअली ये सभी माइनस जो है यहाँ पे, ये ब्रैकेट के बाहर वाला माइनस सभी टर्म्स के साइन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर जाएगा. ठीक है, तो हमने आपको दोनों तरह से बता दिया. आप ठीक है, यू अंडरस्टैंड? आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. ओके, सो now next step is that now same type of, you can see same type of variable is here, a. It means we can add or subtract, so it means here is the minus sign but here is the plus sign, so plus minus minus, so between 6 and 5 there will be minus, so 6 minus 5 1, and which sign will be there? Plus sign, because 6 is the greatest number, so plus a, so this is plus 1a. Now 2x. Okay, so you can write it also like this, simply a minus 2x. This is your answer. Okay, so what we have done, simply you have to see here before bracket which sign is there. When you remove that all the signs will be changed. And why this sign is changing? I told that this sign is multiplied with the each sign, each terms. Okay, now let's solve question number 3. 5x plus minus 7x minus 2y. Question number 3. Question number 3, that is 5x plus minus 7x minus 2y. Okay, so same concept, we write 5x, you will remove, so here is the plus sign, it means inside the bracket whatever the sign, that will be remain same. Or you can see this plus will multiply to minus, so that will be same. Minus 7 will be, so here same minus 7, it will again multiply to minus, so plus minus minus, so again you write the same minus 2y. और रूल नंबर 2 says that, रूल नंबर 1 में क्या था, जस्ट हमने पढ़ा, अगर ब्रैकेट के आगे प्लस साइन है तो ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर वाले सभी वैल्यू वैसे ही लिख देंगे जैसा है, कोई साइन में चेंजेस नहीं होगा. सो सेम आई राइट हियर. ओके, नाउ similar terms we can add, so 5x, so that is, here is but minus sign, so here is the plus sign, so plus minus minus, so we will subtract, so that will be 2, and 7 is the largest number, so before that minus sign, so put the minus, so 2x, that is now 2y, so 2x minus 2y is your answer. Okay, so you have to take care of the plus minus, which sign will come, so already many times we have solved, so I hope you understand these all things. Again and again I don't need to explain. Okay, now next question number 5. Okay, let's solve question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is that 4x minus inside bracket, that is the x, minus again 4x, then after plus 3y, then after close the bracket small one, then plus 5y, okay, and close in the bracket. Now first of all, now here we will follow the rule number 3. रूल नंबर 3 क्या बोल रहा था, अगर ब्रैकेट्स हो, ठीक है, एक से ज़्यादा ब्रैकेट्स हैं, ठीक है, मोर देन ग्रुपिंग सिंबल मीन्स मोर देन ग्रुपिंग सिंबल मीन्स एक से ज़्यादा ब्रैकेट है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इनर मोस्ट विच इज़ द इनसाइड, तो अब जितने ब्रैकेट है सबसे अंदर में कौन है, ये वाला है 4x प्लस 3y। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग इसका ऑपरेशन करेंगे 4x 3y, इसके सामने जो भी साइन है इस ब्रैकेट को हटाएंगे। सबसे पहले ये वाला ब्रैकेट हटेगा, ठीक है। सो डू द स्टेप, सो वी राइट द 4x माइनस this x. When you remove this bracket, so here is the minus sign, see, so it means the sign will be changed, so that will be minus 4x, because here is the plus 4x that will multiply with the, and here is the plus 3y, so this will be minus 3y. Now the rest terms you write the same. No, this bracket is removed now. Now I will remove this bracket. So now before this bracket again you see this sign is there, minus sign, so this again will be changed, this the sign. So here is the plus x, so it will be minus x. Here is the plus minus 4, so it will be 4x. Here is the plus 3 minus, so it will be plus 3y. So here is the plus 4, so here will be minus 5y. So now all the brackets, all the groupings symbols are removed. All the grouping symbols are removed now. Now you can see the similar terms first. So this is the 4x, same type of, here is the minus x, this is the plus 4x, so they are the similar type of variables. Okay, so now we can perform the operation like sum and difference. So this 4x plus 4x, so 8x and minus 1x, so that is 7x. So right here 7x. Okay, you can solve as you want to solve. Okay, you can write the row wise, or the in the column you can write all these values and you can solve. This is up to you how you would like to do. In your mind you can calculate, then okay. Now here plus 3y and minus 5y, so again if we can subtract, so that will be 2y. Okay, so your answer is 7x minus 2y. Okay, so what we have done, first we remove this grouping symbols from where we are starting from the innermost grouping. So सबसे जो अंदर में वहाँ से स्टार्ट करा और धीरे धीरे किस साइड बढ़ना था, आउटवर्ड साइड्स. ओके, दैट वी हैव डन. ओके, now next question number 6. Okay, so solve question number 6 here. So question number 6 is that minus medium bracket 2b minus 3b minus 7c bracket and curly bracket close. So first of all, again the innermost, this is the in the innermost, so it means first we will remove this bracket. Okay, so rest we write the same, minus 2b. Now you can see here is the minus sign, it means inside that bracket all its sign will change. So is the plus sign. Okay, here is the plus sign, so it means it will be minus, so minus 3b, it will be plus 7c. Got it? Now this bracket will be now removed. So this here you can see the minus sign, it means when you remove the bracket all the signs will again change. So this minus will become plus 2b plus 3b. Okay, now minus 7c. Okay, now this is the, we removed all the grouping. Okay, all the grouping symbols we have removed. Now similar terms, you can see the same variables is there, so we can add bb. So same variables is there, you know that same variables you can add and subtract. Okay, same type of variable. Okay, so here is the b and here is also b, same variable. And also if the same variable with the same power, so also power also is very important. Power, here is the 1, here is also 1, so that we can add. If here will be b square, so we cannot add it. Okay, so same, exactly same, so b is there, is also b, so 3 plus 2 5b. Now minus 7c. So your answer is 5b plus, sorry, 5b. Here I have done mistake, you just correct it. This minus sign multiplied to here, plus this minus again multiplied to here, this is plus, this minus will multiply here, this is minus. Okay, but here actually it was earlier, what was it, was the sign. Okay, actually I have written the wrong question actually. Okay, so you can just correct it. Here in the question it is given plus sign. Okay, that's why you just see plus, in the question it is given plus sign, so now here it will be minus sign. Okay, here will be the minus sign. Now if there is a minus sign, again it will be multiplied with the minus, so again here will be here it will be plus, so here you just do the plus sign. So in the answer that will be plus. Okay, you just correct it because I have written here wrong question actually. Okay, so you just correct it. Here will be plus. Okay, I just write it again. Here will be the plus, here will be the minus, here will be the plus. Okay, now here plus. Okay, correct it. Now 5b plus 7c is the answer. Okay, now next you can see question number 8. Okay, 8 we will solve. Question number 8. So question number 8 is that 2a minus 3b minus 4a minus 3b minus inside medium bracket a minus 2c. Okay, again minus, again one bracket, that is a minus 2b, then minus c, close it, then medium bracket close and the large bracket. So there is one more extra bracket there, that is maybe printing mistake. Okay, now first of all we will solve the innermost. So in the innermost you can see this one, medium one is small bracket, so we will do it. So first we will solve it. So first you write this all value 2a minus 3b. Okay, minus, here you write 4a minus 3b minus inside this bracket, so a minus 2c. Now here is we have to do, here is the minus sign, so when you remove the bracket, so all the sign will change. So plus sign is there, plus a, so that will be minus a, that will be plus 2b, here will be plus c. Got it? Now close the bracket, medium bracket, and the, now you can do the inside this, you can do the operation inside this, you can solve this also. So you can see plus a and minus a means same, so we can cancel it. Now you can see this minus 2c and c, so minus 2c plus c, that will be minus c. So that we will write in the next step. So here I can write, you can write here, sorry, it will be 2a minus 3b minus, here is the 4a minus 3b. Okay, now minus inside the bracket, now what is left, minus 2c and plus c, that will be minus c. So first I write 2b here minus c. Okay, now this bracket is closed. Okay, now next this 2 we will solve. First we will remove this bracket. Okay, so write first here 2a minus 3b minus 4a minus 3b. Now this medium bracket we will remove. So what, here is the minus sign, so all the signs will again change. So here will be the minus 2b, now here will be plus a, because before 2b there is a plus sign, so that will change now inside the bracket. Now next step you can see, now I will remove this bracket again. First we solve inside that, so 2a minus 3b. So here inside that you can see there is the 4a, so you write the 4a same, because you can see here 3b and minus 3b and minus 2b, so that will be minus 5b. Okay, got it, minus 5b. Okay, next step, here is the c is there. Okay, now this bracket I will remove it again. So now write 2a minus 3b. Now minus sign, it means there is a minus sign, it means all the signs will again change. So minus 4a, because plus 4 is there, plus 5b minus c. Now all the grouping symbols remove. Now see the similar term, 2a 4a, so plus minus minus, so minus 2a will be, now again check that, minus 3b and 5b, so that will be plus 2b, because plus minus. Okay, now next only c is left, so minus c. Your answer is, you can check, minus 2a plus 2b minus c is your answer. Okay, you just have a look at it again how we have solved. first we started from here, we solved that one, remove the bracket, solve inside that, remove bracket, solve inside that, and likewise we followed the step. So you have to follow the step. You have to remove the bracket. After removing the bracket, inside whatever the values, means whatever the term, you, if you can solve that terms, then proceed to the next step, and likewise you remove the all these brackets, means all these grouping symbols you can remove one by one, and then you will finally you will get the answer. Finally you can get. Okay, now last question, question number 9. Okay, so this question number 9 I am going to solve here. Let's solve question number 9. Question number 9, question minus x, okay, again minus sign, then x plus, inside this x plus y minus 2x, okay, then minus, then after x minus 2y, okay, then after bracket close, medium bracket, minus y, then after the this bracket. Okay, now next we will do one by one. So from where we will start? From here we will start. Okay, innermost, that is a small bracket. So minus x minus, so you write the same, x plus, so here is x plus y, okay, now minus 2x, okay, so here you can see minus sign, so when you remove this one, sign will change, so it will be minus x plus 2y, okay, now this bracket close, minus y, and this bracket close. So now here you can see we can solve, because as I told that when you remove the bracket, after removing the bracket you can solve the expression. Okay, so here you can see this same similar terms are there. This one cancel, it can be cancelled. Now this y and plus y, so 3y will be there, and 2x, okay, so that minus 2, again you write it, so minus x plus, okay, inside the bracket, so 2y, this will be your, here it will be minus 2x only, so minus 2x you write. Now 2 plus 1, this y terms you can add it, so that will be 3y, okay, now close this bracket, and there is the outside, there is a minus y also, okay, this minus y. Now next step we will solve the next one, so we will remove the next bracket, so x, so here is the plus sign, so there will be no any changes, we will write the same, so same, so minus 2x plus 3y, okay, now here is the minus y, so this also write minus y. Now we can solve it again, so minus x minus, so this x similar, okay, so that will be minus x plus, and this one 3y and minus y, so it will be plus 2y, okay. Now again we will remove the bracket, so you can see here the minus sign, so its a sign will change, so x, so plus x minus 2y, okay, sign will change. So now you can see there is the similar terms, these two are cancelled, minus x plus, so what is the now left is minus 2y, so your answer is minus 2y. Got it? So how? See, once again you just have a look from here, one by one we have followed from the innermost, and likewise we have solved the, we just try to remove these grouping symbols, okay, then you get the answer. So you can easily solve now exercise 14D. Okay, thank you.